detail. Here we have the blinding. This is the blinding. This is Hey, hello guys, it's me. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I will be showing you how to read a colon detail and its section. So how to read a colon detail and its section. So I want you to click on the subscribe button below and click on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified that I've posted a new video. I post tutorials like this and I post videos 3 times a week. So I post videos on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So I want you to make use of the comment section below if you have any question that you want to ask me, or if you want to rapport and interact with me. I make use of the comment section below also. So you got to make use of the comment section below. Love you guys. Yeah, so in this video we'll be making use of this colon plan and this section. So the first thing that we can see on the colon plan is the detail. Here we have the reinforced concrete detail of pad foundation, of pad footing, sorry, of pad foundation. So and here we have the section. So the first thing we look at is, or the first information we get from a colon draw, or a colon detail, or a colon, I don't know what we'll call it, but from a colon diagram like this, the first thing we get from it is the dimension of the colon base. So here I have 1250 mm by 1250 mm, which shows that this is a square pad footing that we are using. So we are having 1.35 meters by 1.35 meters as the overall dimension of the colon base. So that is the colon base, and also we have the dimension of the colon itself to be 2 to 5 mm by 2 to 5 mm. So that is the first information we get from the diagram, the colon diagram. So the next thing we will see there are some details of the arrangement of the reinforcement in the base of the colon, in the colon base. So here we have 7 of Y12 at benchmark 1, and then at 200 mm center to center bottom. So here we are designing this colon base as a one way, because we only have reinforcement at the bottom of the colon base. So whenever you have reinforcement at the base of either your slab or your beam or your anything, so it is considered to be a one-way slab, or a one-way, or a simply supported beam for that of a beam. So so that is it. So that is all we can get here. So here we the meaning of this detail is that 7 numbers of Y12, where is the diameter of the reinforcement is Y12, is needed to span along this side. So it's coming from the bottom to the top here. So we are arranging it with a distance of 200 mm from one reinforcement to another. So from here